Hey everyone, we just got a package today and I'm pretty excited about it. Here it is, the new SE 128 gig. So I'm pretty excited. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what all the hype is about. Oh, peeling off that plastic. Alright, here it is. We're going to do the unboxing here. So, whew. Love that. I love their unboxing. It slides right out. It's so dope. Alright, what do we got here? We got this. Designed by Apple in California. Assembled by children in China. Got the device right here. Just product red. Touch ID. You know, I've seen a lot of videos on this thing. And it looks nicer in person. It feels nicer in person. It's slimmer than you'd think. It's nice. That's nice. We'll set that over there. It's this 5-watt charger, which is fine. But, I mean, put the other one in there, Apple. But whatever. I mean, I do have a wireless charger sitting there, so that's what I'll be primarily using. The earpods, headpods, earphones, whatever the hell they're calling them now. This is the lightning connector because the device does not have a headphone jack, which is fine. It's their portless feature that they're trying to work towards. Again, the lightning connector, which is cool, but again, I'll probably just be using the wireless charging, and that's it. Alright, inside of this sleeve here, we have your standard stuff, your SIM tool, your how to use your phone, some stickers, some very thin paper, legal stuff, I assume. And then we had the product red slip here. Of course, on the back, it says that the product red is for HIV and AIDS. However, this iPhone is actually for COVID-19 relief. So that's a reminder, wash your hands, stay healthy, stay 6 feet apart, wear a mask when you go places. We can defeat this thing together. So let's do that. Alright, so we'll go ahead and peel the plastic off. Like I said, they have these little tabs on here. And love it. Oh, the sound of that is amazing. Oh, Apple's unboxing experience. Mwah, mwah. Very good. Mwah. All right. Let's go ahead and turn this on here. There it is, the little Apple logo. Hello. Ooh. So, unlike the iPhone 6S, Touch ID is not an actual button, but it has a haptic feedback engine that simulates a vibration when you press it. Very cool. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. If your iPhone or iPad doesn't show options, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. Everything is on here, as you can see. And a lot of people are concerned with the battery life on the SE compared to other iPhones or even other Android phones. This is something I will also inquire about. My main battery killer is when I go for runs. I have the Adidas running app open, the Spotify app open, and Pokemon Go open. I have those 3 things open when I do my runs. My current phone, I'll take it around 80%, 85%, go, leave, do my thing. By the time I'm done and I get back to my house, it's at about 20%. So it's going to be interesting to see how the SE deals with that type of usage. I will report back when I have a real world battery usage test. I'm not gonna put it in a lab and make it run Antutu benchmark for 6 hours to kill it. I don't think that's a real representation of real world usage, in my opinion. So we're gonna take this thing out. We're gonna use it as I would normally use my phone. I'm not gonna change any patterns that I do, and we'll come back and we'll see how it looks.
One eternity later.
And we're back. I did my run. I went to the store. I did a few other errands today. Just getting home. Nearly 2 a.m. 39% here. Again, I didn't really change much of my patterns. I just kind of did everything I normally do. I used my GPS, my Waze app for a GPS while I'm driving. Again, Spotify, the running app, and Pokemon Go. Notes for a grocery list, etc. So, pretty normal usage for me. I used the camera a little bit. It's pretty nice, for a $400 phone. It's an Apple camera, so it's gonna be pretty good. It's got the portrait mode. All cameras now of just about any smartphone, $400 and up, you're gonna get a good camera, and it's gonna be very difficult for you to tell the difference between the quality of the photos unless you're really looking for it. Unless that's something you're really into is comparing the camera specs. But if you're just going to take selfies and put them on Instagram or the Snapchat, or do some pictures of your kids or your animals or whatever, this camera on this phone will be fine. Don't even worry about it. It's good. Battery life, fine to me. I don't know why people are complaining. It seems really good. Again, it's using the A13 processor in it, so that thing's got great optimization. Apps are optimized for this thing. It's got a very small screen on it that's not 1080p. It's like a 720p screen. It doesn't get very bright, compared to some other phones. I think it's fine. People are really concerned with the subpar battery, but I think you'll get a day's usage out of it, no problem. I mean, if you're reaching for the charger every 4 hours, you should definitely just get the iPhone 11 Pro Max, SE, Plus, XL, 12, whatever the hell they're naming stuff now. Get those things if you want the larger battery, if you're going to use your phone a million times. I do not. I don't use my phone all the time. I'm gonna pull 5-6 hours tops, maybe, and that's heavy usage for me. Some people will use their phone for hours and hours, from 10 hours possibly. I mean, if you need 8 to 10 hours of on-screen time, get the bigger phone. But again, if you need a new phone, if you're using a 6S and you really like the home button, this is the puppy to get. I'm Atomic Tommy. I'll see you guys, gals, and non-binary pals in the next one.